Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, the other question that I will be talking about is something that comes up all the time, and I see comments several times a week on some of my videos because of this. And it's about the Windows 11 operating system. Is it spying on you? And, I get a lot of people like, oh, well, I'm never going to install Windows 11 that spies on you. And so what is exactly is the thing with Windows 11 or Windows 10? First of all, there's no difference in Windows 11 or Windows 10 in terms of what I will call snooping in a way, because yes, there's tracking going on in Windows 10 and Windows 11. There's not more tracking in Windows 11 than Windows 10. They have the same features that Microsoft uses, and there's all sorts of things. So, of course, it comes down to there's a lot of people that are on the extreme of, well, of course it's tracking, it's snooping on you, or it's spying on you to give government details, and which is not the case, and it would be totally useless to have 1.5 billion PCs. There would be just too much information anyways about so much useless fluff of what 99% of people are totally uninteresting anyways. So, it's yes, there's tracking, but the tracking is done for a purpose that is really Microsoft trying to make more money out of the operating system. So that tracking has to do with a lot of, the ads and the ad business that they're trying to run through Windows. And that is kind of sad, because it's one of those things that I hate in Windows, the fact that they, can try to put ads in different places for their services and apps and so on, which I find really, really disgusting personally. The operating system also sends data through its, and if you go into the privacy and security, through its diagnostics and feedback. Here where I will agree, so here I don't really care what it's sending personally, but this is at the basics done to help improve Windows, and that diagnostics data is sent out in order for Microsoft to see how Windows behaves, and that's really the purpose of this, and nothing more. The problem is, and I think it should be, the people have been asking about it since Windows 10. Why can't I have a off switch? And I think Microsoft here is, not playing nice in a way, because they should offer an off switch that, if you don't want to send diagnostics data, an off switch, and that's it. Here, what they're giving you is only an option of minimal diagnostics data, which is they call required, and optional. A lot of videos online are very, dramatic as to, oh, well, Windows is spying on you and, sending all data to, there's just too much hype on this that is useless hype and unnecessary. Yes, there's tracking going on for, like I said, mostly, ad purposes, making more money. But there's no, it ends there. And whatever you think, it ends there. And there's a lot of YouTube videos for the added views that will start, oh, well, Windows is spying on you and this is really horrible and blah, blah, blah. And, the controversy probably also added with the fact that Microsoft forced people with a Microsoft account in Windows 11, which it did not do before. Before, you could still do in Windows 10 a local account, which they had removed. Now, there's ways to do it, but they had removed that capability. You had to create a Microsoft account in Windows 11. Now, that doesn't mean you have to use a computer with a Microsoft account, because once you are logged in with a Microsoft account, you can actually create a local account that has admin privileges, and you can just destroy the main local account, the main account that's a Microsoft account, and you'll be on the local account. It's just it adds extra fluff that's unnecessary. Once again, Microsoft trying to lure you mostly through their services. It's simple as that. There's nothing else behind this. There's no government's info or whatever being sent. It's simply Microsoft wants you to use its services, and it's working hard to lock you into that, which in turn doesn't help in, of course, people thinking that maybe there's more to that snooping than just trying to do that. And, Microsoft isn't helping itself, definitely. So I call it tracking, not spying. And yes, it's there, and it should be possible to turn it off for some, like the telemetry and stuff like that. And it should also not exist for ad purposes within Windows, definitely. But personally, it's not spying. It's really just tracking, just like Google is tracking you everywhere to make money, because Google isn't a search engine. Google is the biggest ad business in the world. It's really there to make money. So with ads. So same for Microsoft. It's trying to turn its own services a little bit like in a Google type of service for ads, and trying to make more money out of it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.